Hey guys, what's up? Good morning and happy Vlogmas day 3. Today I don't really have anything interesting to do like running to the city or whatnot, but today I just have online teaching and just work from home things. At around 1:30 I'm gonna go pick up my paper check at my work office, and at the moment I'm thinking about going to take a nature walk. I have a little bit of energy and some free time, so why not go, right, and get some good old vitamin D. So I'm gonna go on my nature walk and I will talk to you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, so I finished my nature walk and I am currently exiting my work office, and I got my paycheck and now I'm getting ready to go and deposit it. So I will see you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, so I ended virtual teaching about 3 hours ago or whatnot. So currently I just had dinner probably about 30 minutes ago, and at the moment I am pretty bored. I'm not being the most productive human in the world, so I thought to just begin planning out my theater lessons. If you're interested in the book that I had bought yesterday at Barnes & Noble, I forgot to show you guys, by the way, but it's a theater lesson book, and I'm looking to incorporate theater into my classroom this year. So I'm going to take you all with me while I go to my work desk, open up my laptop, and you guys will see a little preview of me working on my theater lessons. Hey guys, so I am back about an hour or two later from planning out my theater lessons. I didn't really get that much done, but I still have some time and some days to always get all that stuff done. And yeah, it is currently about 10 to midnight, so I am closing out this vlog for the day, and I hope you all enjoyed, and stay tuned for tomorrow's Vlogmas Day 4. Ciao.